I believe New Perspective is an excellent strategy for the investor who wants exposure to global growth through companies that are proven at their ability to adapt to change. It also provides resilience in difficult markets. The strategy has done well in both strong up markets and in down markets. And lastly, it's been validated by its results over 50 years. If you look at New Perspective's history over the last 50 years, you can see that almost decade by decade, we've had different themes in the portfolio. If you go back to the 1970s when it was founded, we had a lot of energy and materials. In the 80s, we had computer hardware. In the 90s, it was more about telecommunications. In the early 2000s, healthcare, and in the last decade or so, a lot around internet, e-commerce, digitization, and now, of course, artificial intelligence. But these themes have bubbled up, really one stock at a time, individual managers making different decisions about those holdings, and those themes have emerged as we found different investments that could participate in that same theme. I would say that in 2024, we're going to have a number of different cross currents, possibly still higher inflation than we've had over the last 15 years, possibly still higher interest rates as we try to attack inflation, and of course, we have a presidential election coming up in the United States as well as in other countries around the world, but that always adds a little bit of uncertainty. But we think the portfolio is well positioned for almost whatever comes because, again, we are focusing on companies that are very experienced at navigating change. They tend to be the global champions in whatever industry they're in. They are time-tested in their approach to navigating whether it's changing regulation, taxes, geopolitical events. These companies are tested and proven. And so we're highly confident that over multi-year periods, this portfolio can probably thrive in almost any environment.